Hey, Dr. Terry Buhl back here with you. You know, I was looking at some comments from a past video that Dr. Mark did, one called Monster Earwax. Well, right away, that's not exactly a romantic setting, shall we say. But there was a fairly attractive commenter that came on. Her name was Christina. We'll call her Christina. And she makes some very nice comment about the patient himself, saying, oh, he was kind of a cute old guy, whatever. And then what happens? We get this creeper come along, this guy named Valerio. And he says to her, he says, you're hot AF, which of course we know stands for as fire. You're hot AF, what's your Instagram? And I'm thinking to myself, really, dude? Does that work? You roll up on somebody, you don't even use proper punctuation, she's all impressed with you, I'm sure. What's your Instagram? In my day, it used to be, what's your sign? Now it's, what's your Instagram? Does she really want to hang with you? On the other hand, do you want to hang with the kind of girl that would be impressed by that kind of a thing? My mind's untwisted. It's kind of like a metaphysical Rubik's Cube kind of thing. I don't know, how does that work? Anyway, don't be creeping around on our channels, guy. Besides, look, how do you know that Christina really looks like that? Or that Christina is even a guy? You're falling in love or lust with a picture. Let me tell you a little story. I had a friend who met somebody online, and they corresponded, and he saw that little avatar picture, and he thought, I got me a hottie. One day they had to meet. You know it had to happen. Eventually they're gonna meet. Well, let's just say that when he met her and saw her, he realized that, as they say sometimes on the cereal box, the contents may have settled during shipping and handling. You know what I'm saying? And to tell you the truth, maybe she wasn't too thrilled either. Either way, what I'm saying is, you don't always get what you think you're getting. Anyway, don't be creeping around on the channels, because you know, Mr. Valerio, I got Tony V on speed dial. And if things get out of hand, all I gotta do is say the word, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Anyway, don't try this stuff around it. Although, you know, my audience, they're a little more subtle about it. If you've ever noticed the demographics of my audience is 3-to-1 female. And there's a reason for this. I know. And they hit on me subtly. You know, we got Carolyn Mack, you know, we got a little thing, you know, down low. And Boo Boo, girl, you a flat freak. Then we got other interesting things, like somebody told me, well, I can't remember which one it was, she says, you got interesting earlobes. I'm like, well, of course, you know, they say about guys with interesting earlobes. Anyway, you guys keep your comments up to me. We keep it on the download, kind of subtle. But hey, creeper guy, don't be sniffing around here, okay?